Shakespeare Sonnet 18. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date. Sometime too hot the eye of heaven shines, and often is his good complexion dimmed, and every fair from fair sometime declines. But chains or nettles changing course untrimmed, but thy eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair thou oust, nor shall death break thou wanderest in his set, when in eternal lines to time thou growest. So long as man can breathe or eyes can see, so long lives this, and this gives life to thee. Thanks for watching. See you again.